In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit links on Linktree. Whether you're updating an old URL, correcting a typo, or simply refreshing the way your links look, knowing how to quickly edit them will keep your Linktree clean, accurate, and more engaging for your audience. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to your Linktree dashboard. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account and you'll be taken to the admin area. This is the main place where you manage everything related to your Linktree profile. Make sure you're on the Links tab, where you can see and edit all the links that appear on your public page. Once you're in the dashboard, look just below your profile section. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing links. Each link is displayed as a card or a row, usually showing the title at the top and the URL underneath. This is the area where all your edits will happen. So take a moment to locate the specific link you want to update. If you have a lot of links, you may want to scroll slowly or quickly scan the title so you don't miss it. When you found the link whose title you want to change, look for a small pen or pencil icon next to the title. This icon represents the edit function. Click on that pen icon and the title field will become editable. You can now type in a new title, fix any spelling mistakes, or make it more descriptive. A clear title helps your visitors understand exactly where that link will take them, so try to keep it short, accurate, and easy to read. When you're happy with the new title, click outside the box or press enter, and Linktree will automatically save your changes. Next, if you need to update the URL itself, look for another pen icon next to the web address beneath the title. Click that icon to edit the link's URL. Carefully paste or type the new address here. It's a good idea to double check that you've included the full URL, including HTTPS if needed, and that there are no extra spaces. A quick tip. After updating, you can test the link from your public Linktree page to make sure it opens correctly. Finally, just below the URL section, you'll see extra options to customize the layout and thumbnail of that link. Here, you can adjust how the link appears visually in your list. Depending on your plan and settings, you might choose a different layout style or add a thumbnail image to make the link stand out more. This is especially useful for important links, like your main website, a new product, or a featured video. Take a moment to experiment with these options until the link matches the look and feel you want for your overall page. And that's it. By editing the title, updating the URL, and adjusting the layout and thumbnail, you'll keep your Linktree organized, on brand, and easy for your audience to navigate.